You guys are so good. Did you like that? Yummy.
Hey y'all, this is Dave with The Bomb Smokes. A couple of my YouTube friends, Tommy from the Gallery Backyard Barbecue and Ray from Ray C76 Knoxville, both had a great recipe for Chinese barbecue pork. I told each one of them I was going to make a video and use a recipe. So what I decided to do, both of them turned out real well, and so I figured I'd just combine the two. I got about 11 pork chops, bone-in pork chops, and I'm going to hang those on the Hunsaker attachment that goes on my Weber Smoky Mountain. Stay tuned.
Now the first thing we have is a little over a quarter of a cup of hoisin sauce. Okay. The next ingredient will be about 1/8 of a cup of white wine vinegar. The next ingredient we have is rice vinegar, about 1/8 of a cup. The next ingredient we have is regular soy sauce, about 1/8 of a cup. I've got 1/8 of a cup of dark soy sauce. Then we've got 1/4 of a cup of honey. Then we've got 1 teaspoon of regular sugar, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, pure sesame oil, and we're just going to add dashes of that. We've got 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice. We've got 1 teaspoon of onion powder. We've got 1 tablespoon of garlic, and we've got some ground ginger. I have 12 pork chops, so I cut it into, I'll put 6 in one bag, 6 in the other, and I'm going to split this marinade between the two. Alright, so we got these now. We're going to put them in the refrigerator, and tomorrow we're going to go ahead and barbecue them. I'm using a mixture of cherry and applewood, and I had a little bit of regular Kingston Blue left. I'm going to mix it with this hardwood lump. This will be the first time I've used this. I put the wood underneath the charcoal. I actually just learned that today. Thank you, Harry Sue. Watched his video on some of them because I don't have enough hooks, but that's okay. Well, there we go, y'all. They're all hung. We're gonna close this thing, check back in about an hour. Oh wow, y'all.
Looks like you're burning the hell out of them.
I'm getting ready to put the first glaze on it. It's been 45 minutes. Y'all just need to be here to smell these, I'll tell you. I brushed some of this stuff on my pork chop. We're gonna see how it tastes. Here we go, folks. Man, this is delicious. We gotta have a beer. If I did anything different, I would have got a thicker pork chop. I think I cooked these just a little too long, but they still turned out good, and they've got a lot of flavor. So the total cook on the pork chops took really about an hour.